To adjust the front seats, use the controls located in the front door panels. The long switch at the lower edge of the controls is used to set several positions. To move the seat forwards and backwards, move the switch forwards and backwards. To adjust the seat height, move the switch up and down. To tilt the seat cushion, move the front of the switch up and down. To adjust the length of the seat cushion, move the front of the switch forwards and backwards. The lower vertical switch adjusts the angle of the seat back, and the middle vertical switch adjusts the angle of the upper seat back. To adjust the head restraint position, move the upper vertical switch forwards, backwards, up and down. To adjust the sides of the head restraint, manually pull the sides into position. To adjust the side bolsters, use the rotary control. Turn the rotary control clockwise to inflate and counterclockwise to deflate. To adjust the lumbar support, move the rotary control forwards to increase and backwards to decrease. To move the area of lumbar support up and down, move the rotary control up and down. Your ideal driving position can be stored for future use. Up to 3 different positions can be saved. Once you're happy with the adjustments, press the memory button and buttons 1, 2 or 3 within 5 seconds to memorize the current settings. To recall a saved setting, press the appropriate memory preset button.